Okay, so he's printed your reversible single print 3/8 ratchet. And this one doesn't have the quick release function. It just has the ability to be reversed. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove all the support. Very easy. Just popped right off there, didn't it? And there's a little ring here, which is hard to see because it's all black. And you can pry this ring up and pop it out. And I suggest putting in the spare ring. I'm just going to put a spare ring in for this video just to illustrate because it's easier to see anyway. But you can always put your other ring back in. As you can see, this isn't broken loose yet, so you'll want to take a socket and place the socket on and then break that loose. So now it turns. So that's functioning. And next you'll want to break your lever loose. I suggest using some pliers, and you just want to wiggle it until you hear it break and then move it to one side. Now this lever can be difficult to move at first. The more you use it, the easier it will become. So place your socket back on, and then you'll be able to switch it and show that it works. This is now turning clockwise, but you can't turn it counterclockwise, but it does turn clockwise. And turn it back to the middle. You see it spins freely. And now we're going to go back to the top. This uses the same, turns counterclockwise, not clockwise, but yeah. As I was saying, this uses the same internal workings as our single print quick release. The only difference is this doesn't have the quick release function, and that's because quick release function consumes a bit of material here and it leaves the center slightly hollow. So this actually can take more torque than our single print quick release 3/8 ratchet. So there you have it. Our single print reversible 3/8 ratchet. Available at 3dprojectsfortomorrow.com. Thanks.